2 years, 6 months, and 8 days of wait has come to an end. Hello everybody, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli in my brand new Tesla Model 3. Finally I got it. Holy moly, am I happy. So I'm here with my awesome car, driving it home. So the wait is over. The wait is over. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a lot of videos and all kinds of things about all kinds of aspects. So I'm going to dedicate this video to one thing and one thing only, and that is the delivery experience. That's it. This is the delivery experience. How was it? And the next videos are going to be about the setting, the screens, the driving, the range, the this, the that, and the other. I do not want to make 35, 40 minutes videos about everything. I prefer that they are focused on one thing. So, let's get started, guys. So the delivery has taken place today, and I will describe it. The road to hell is full of good intentions. That doesn't mean that Tesla is going to hell. God forbid that should ever happen. But just like it was production hell, now it is delivery hell. Now, I'm not a complainer. I am a mission-driven person and all that, but not everybody is like me. So let me tell you what happened to me today. It was a no big deal, not whatsoever, but let me tell you what else I saw. So my appointment was for 9:30. I came around 9:20-ish. I went to the front desk. They immediately went to get somebody for me. Nice girl, she came. She said, I'm going to bring the paperwork to you. A few minutes later, she brought the paperwork. We went to sign all the contracts and everything. And then she said, I hope you, she said, did you bring $1,500 check? I was like, no, what check? What are you talking about? She's like, well, your balance is $1,500. I said, look, on my app, on my contract, I paid everything out. She's like, no, well, you have to pay $1,500 more. I said, listen, there's a mistake. Why don't you go find it? She goes for about 10 more minutes. She comes back. She's like, did you order any options? I was like, no. So we looked, and then I see 19-inch sports wheel. I was like, I did not order 19-inch sports wheel. I ordered the 18-inch, those arrow wheels. She's like, well, it looks like you ordered. I said, I did not. I am telling you, I did not. She said, okay. She went in to talk to the manager. Now it starts to look like a car dealership scheme. So, okay, Moshe. I said, Moshe, take your time. This is, let's look at the big picture. Meanwhile, as I'm there, first of all, I just want to tell you, there was no place to park. It is packed. Here are some pictures. Here, it is packed to the brim. I had to go park on the next door shopping mall and walk in. People are, every 2 seconds, people are coming. Well, that's good. There was let me just focus on one couple. There was one couple, a doctor and his wife. He came, he had an appointment at 10. And then Model X, the car supposed to get 2 hours of inspection. He said, okay, 10, meaning it's supposed to be done. So they didn't inspect it. You wait 2 hours, he start freaking out. I'm going to put you on social media and this and that and whatever. He said, please wait. They were very kind, very patient, convinced him to wait a few minutes. He said, okay, I wait. 10 minutes later, they come and they say to him, well, they found some kind of a paint scratch and this and that. It's going to take a week to fix. Holy crap, a week to fix. So, they gave him a loaner, whatever it is. He was so mad, he left and all that. Meantime, she came back to me, and she said the following: it was a mistake. We spec'd the car with 19-inch sports wheels, and then we're going to give it to you complimentary. You don't have to pay for it. They deduct it, even Steven. Now, I'm like trying to contain myself. I'm so happy. I said, why didn't you make a mistake giving me an all-wheel drive? That would be even nicer, but I did not. So I was so happy. Again, she redid the contract, waited a little more, redid the contract, no big deal. I was chatting, I was schmoozing, you know, I took the day off, no big deal. Not in a rush. We finished, she brought me the contract, all signed. I don't owe you anything, she doesn't owe me anything, all good. Then Mr. Marquise came, the guy who showed me the car. Now, good thing I'm the electric Israeli, and good thing I know about these things, and good things I have friends who actually have Teslas and Model 3, so I know the screen. The guy didn't know anything. Really, oh, let's do this, let's do this button, let's do this button, let's do that button. Okay, I was like, whatever, I let him speak and all that. So 9:20 I came, I left 10 minutes ago, about an hour and 20 minutes or so. Now, this was not a car dealership experience, believe me, God forbid, but there's a lot of miscommunications. I don't want to say they don't know what they're doing, that would be inaccurate, but a lot of miscommunications, missing appointments. My appointment postponed 3 times, but again, I'm not like desperate and whatever, so I'm cool. But there was a lot of confusion, very crowded. They're not prepared for this. Now, they will fix the kinks, they will fix what they need to fix, and it will be fine. But there is a rush of people, and a lot of people missing appointments, and cars not ready. I just give you one example, there are others. Anyway, bottom line is, I'm driving my awesome Tesla Model 3 with a 19-inch sports wheel. That's awesome. So that's my delivery experience. It was interesting, eventful. I am sure this is Tesla, this is not GM. They will do what they need to do to fix what they need to fix, and it's great. Meantime, I am going to play with my autopilot and everything. My next video, guys, keep going. My Tesla videos are going to keep coming. The next one is going to be settings, speed, autopilot, blah 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 blah. It's going to be all great. So keep following me. Please subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at the time you see my smile. And please support this channel by becoming a patron. I need your support. And then you can shop at the Electric Israeli store and all that. So thank you, everybody. I know many of you are so supportive of me. Thank you. And we'll talk soon. And just wait up. Lots of videos, lots of things are coming up.